last forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh,
Hi, my amazing Pisces. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. You, the water signs. Let's see what do we need to see for the upcoming week, August 2021. What is coming away? It's a general reading. Keep in mind love and career. Take the way it resonates. Okay. They show me stay connected to fire. I think you need to do try and put a candle. Okay, in your altar space or temple, mandir, whatever you have, just do that. That will really help you. Okay, although you're a water sign, but I think this would really help you. You need to be connected with all the four elements, right? So let's see. It's not just about having fun. It's also about understanding that what is it that will bring me happiness, not just fun but happiness. That's what they show me for Pisces. Let's see what do we need to see for my sensitive Pisces. My Pisces going forward upcoming week, my beloved. I'm gonna mess with the need to see a general love color spread. Pisces, stop worrying about what people say about you. And also do not say crap about people. Don't say wrong things about people because karma works very differently, right? And I saw the justice in between. Let's see what comes out. Page of Cups. Honest, gentle, kind, warm is the kind of energy you're in right now. That is how you're feeling, which is a relief for Pisces, isn't it? So with the Page of Cups, maybe somebody is coming towards you or has come towards you, or you want to go towards somebody with that kind of energy. But the idea is that are you really ready for it? Okay, because when we talk about this, we need to know that the Page of Cups is a page, right? So when it's a page, obviously we need to see that how the page is going to turn into that big hearted, that strong king kind of energy. You guys are incredibly compassionate, yes, if you invest in somebody. But at times, when you're not with the C2 of Swords, the air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, maybe you're dealing with one. You stand conflicted about this energy also. It could be this way also, that there's somebody in your life currently that you're dealing with, dating or meeting or commitment, marriage, relationship, that you're not very sure about. You feel the person is either in and out, and or you are in and out about this because you're not sure. So at times your intuition doesn't work. That is where I think you need to work, Pisces. You need to pay more attention to what your heart is really telling you. At times, we don't pay attention. We're not flexible about it, and we get too harsh on ourselves, and we should not. And we should ensure that we're not hard or harsh on others as well, because they say that the words, they hurt you more than any kind of tool or device. Words really hurt you. See, this has been out big time. So something is changing in your reality. Jupiter energy is going retrograde, right? Maybe you're dealing with, or you were dealing with a person whose name starts with an A, R, O, T, etc. And you've seen certain things with the person, you're not very sure about it. You're not very confident about it, and your instinct is telling you that, take a call, because if you go forward towards this, you might not be very happy about it, right? Because being incredibly invested into somebody is one, but being true to yourself is another, right? So instead of being in the Page of Cups energy for you specifically, because the core card is the strongest, it's about getting the energy of the Pentacle, like the Page of Pentacle. Go slow, ease, take time. Even if you do not complete things in time, that's okay. because nobody's going to judge you, nobody's going to ask you, but this will really help you to gain perspective, and you would know how much you need to do for which person or which partnership, right? So it is about looking in towards love in a different way. It's like a psychic vibe that I'm sharing, that look at things with a different shades. Like, just take off your shades. I think you need to see things more clearly, so that you can see the reality for the way it is, and you don't stand confused, because your family, your friends are very supportive, but it's just that at times you are not very sure about them. You get confused about them. You start doubting that whether this is for me or not for me. This could be a new person, coming in, changing your reality, bringing in that judgmental shift, that head shift toward in you, right? Seems like a relief, but let's see. Finances shall be okay, I feel. Eight of Swords, yeah. It's really about that shift, that paradigm that you need to drop, because this is air energy. You're definitely dealing with an air sign. Don't be in this mess, because the more you stay, and it's also about looking yourself in the mirror and saying, you know what, am I being genuine with myself? That's very important. They fall out. Let's see. Four of Cups, because I think that is where you feel hurt. That is where you feel lost. That is where you feel that, me being so compassionate, honest, loving, people don't understand it. People use it to their advantage and they're out. But the truth is that they are not doing it to you. It's a lesson. It's a learning you're getting, but you're not ready to see it with that eye. You're blaming the person somehow, I feel. With the wheel here, it's about the change around the corner. Whether you like it or you don't like it, it is coming in. With the Ace of Cups, it is also about this amazing huge shift in your understanding. Not just love, but could be love also big for some, partnership for some. Something amazing coming your way that you will not believe in at the first go, but it will bring you relief. And this is about the fruit that you want to eat. You've been waiting to eat, but you're not. With the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles, as I said, the Knight of Pentacles was the energy I was talking about. This is the Ace of Pentacles. So we've got two aces here. So it's about that new fresh start. Not just in a partnership or a relationship. It's also about a new fresh start in your psyche, in your thinking. That is extremely important right now. And recognize that. There's no harm in saying, you know what, I faltered. If you have faltered, if you made a mistake, acknowledge it. If you said things that you shouldn't have been saying to people, say that, I was wrong about it. And I shouldn't have said it somehow. With the Eight of Wands, the communication that you want is coming your way. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Could be a co-Cancer you could be dealing with. Okay. It's just coming to you. Email, text, messages, whatever. Good things are on the way, provided you shift your perspective. You see things from a new perspective. You've been hustling. You've been trying to be everywhere. You want to be seen, known, spoken about. For some, obviously, not for everybody. But the truth is that you can't be everywhere, can you? You have to understand that is why the Knight of Pentacles energy was there. With the Ace of Pentacles, that is the newness you need to bring into your life, so that you can enjoy those major successes in love or in relationship that you so desire, that keep you lost. Despite being the kind of person you are, you still feel that way. And stay in the truth. Queen of Swords. Queens are like no-nonsense people, right? They know exactly what they need to see when they need to see. You're definitely dealing with an air sign, a Cancer, an Aquarius, a Libra. The truth is, and like I said, except the Ace of Pentacles, I do not see Pentacles here. So it's more to do with your heart space. You need to heal your heart, okay? Work on your heart so that you can see things more clearly. And you can understand that, there's this relief which will come to you. You'll be able to taste the fruits that you want to, provided you stay true to yourself, authentic to yourself, okay? So that you can invite the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, drop this old way of doing things, the shift that is there in the head, just drop that and know that whatever is coming away is for your highest good, and that is all that matters. So operate from the space of love, yes, but know that you need to have that shift. You need to drop those old patterns. You need to get out of this cycle so that you can embrace the good luck coming your way. Okay, so this is what I have for you for the upcoming week, August 2021. My love, general love career reading, Pisces. I hope you like it. It resonates with you. And do share it, do subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And I shall see you the next time. Sending you so much of love and light until eternity. Bye.